Patients in KwaZulu-Natal have been violated of their basic human right to access to health care. This is what the South African Human Rights Commission has said after receiving complaints. Just last week, the last state oncologist in the province resigned in Durban. This has left a devastating backlog of cancer patients in despair. There are only 3 hospitals in KZN treating cancer patients, and Eddington Hospital is one of those. But even then, we are told that patients have to wait for months before they are treated because of the backlog in the waiting list. Unfortunately, some die waiting.
The department has undertaken a decision to cut down on costs, including abolishing posts, unfunding posts, doing all sorts of things to cut down on the costs of the department. And in that, they also, whilst they were training registrars, they also decided no, they are not going to create posts for those registrars. So a registrar in oncology and other departments would finish their course of study, but there is no post.
The South African Medical Association says the crisis is now causing challenges in other sectors of the healthcare facilities.
The biggest problem is that in this country we've got 10 departments of health. We've got the National Department of Health, we've got 9 provincial departments of health. They do not talk to each other. So we want a consolidated Department of Health. Let them abolish all these provincial departments.
Nzogwa believes the crisis is a result of ongoing poor communication between the MECs and the Minister of Health. The Department of Health in KZN says doctors from the private sector have been asked to step in and assist to provide treatment to hundreds of ailing cancer patients in the interim to assist with the vacuum. Meanwhile, posts are being advertised for the vacant positions. While the Department of Health in KZN is trying to do damage control by pulling cancer specialists from the private sector to consult and treat patients in public hospitals, some patients may have to move to other provinces or get private treatment to get immediate help. For ANN7, I'm Zinhle Mgadi in Durban.